Symantec Corporation, presented by James Adams. How did the company start? In 1982, Symantec was founded by Dr. Gary Hendricks, a prominent expert in natural language processing and artificial intelligence. Dr. Hendricks brought together a group of Stanford University researchers. These researchers were in the field of natural language processing to form the company. Initially, the company started with funding from a National Science Foundation grant, obtained financing through venture capital firms that were interested in the field of artificial intelligence. How did the company gain its recognition? In 1984, Symantec had merged with another software company named C&E Software. The two companies created their first product in 1985, Q&A, a flat file database program that was IBM compatible. Unfortunately, Q&A was not able to compete with the other major database programs of the time. The CEO, Eubanks, realized that they needed to expand its product base beyond a single product, creating a third-party product. In 1987, Symantec began the acquisition campaign for acquiring software companies. As a result of the campaign, the sales had doubled in 1987 to 1988, which reached 19.6 million, finally becoming profitable in 1988 or fiscal year 1989. Listed below are the Symantec products. For many companies, the must-needed backup of systems throughout their company. A solution is with another notable product created by Symantec is Backup Exec. It is simple to utilize its many features, which will back up and restore all data for the company. Widely recognized today is Norton Antivirus, the pilot which was initially released in 1991. From an antivirus perspective, this is known to be one of the best home-based antiviruses. Listed below is an image of Symantec Backup Exec. Listed below is Norton Antivirus. Now, who is responsible for the company's success? Dr. Gordon E. Eubanks became the CEO of Symantec after merging with C&E Software, who is attributed largely in part to the company's success. The initial product Q&A was basically a flop. This directed Eubanks to acquire other software companies. The acquisitions allowed for the company to finally make a profit. This allowed for further development into other markets like the PC utilities market. Symantec's contribution to the tech world. The flat file database program was created by Symantec in 1985. It was a Q&A. Natural language query was one of its staples due to it being one of the very few that did this at the time. In 1991, the program rose to the top of the database programs. Released Norton Antivirus by Symantec in 1991. Symantec's strategic plan. In October of 2014, Symantec announces a new strategy for fueling growth as well as splitting into two different technology companies. Splitting into two publicly traded companies will enable both companies to have their own flexibility and fuel growth. Deliver a unified security platform that integrates threat information from its Symantec products, as well as growing cybersecurity service capabilities. The long-range impact for Symantec. Due to the acquisitions of many companies, Symantec has acquired 57 companies, purchased stakes in 2 firms, and divested 26 companies. The company's overall goals is to create a better experience for the end user with their current products and services. Listed below, you'll find my works cited. Thank you for watching.